Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. There you go, guys. Our painting is again. Hi, guys. In today's episode, we will do another amazing artwork. It's called Art Therapy, Paint by Numbers. Before we start, we'd like to thank our friends from Get Farm for giving us these art materials. Are you ready? Let's get started! Here are our materials. We have a paint canvas marked with numbers. We also have acrylic paints. Are these acrylic paints? Acrylic paints numbered according to color. Also need some water and some paint brushes. This artwork is very easy. All we need to do is to fill in the areas marked with numbers with the corresponding numbers on each paint color. Let's start! There you go, guys. Our painting is finished. If you like this video, make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye!